Good day to all employer. My name is Feminine Fronda. I'm 44 years old. I'm from Research Menantiuno, Cauayan City, Isabela. I'm a single parent. I have two daughters, 7 years old and 1 years old and 3 months. My higher educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and cooking. I work as domestic helper in Lebanon at 6 years and 4 months. I serve 5 members in the family including 3 children, 9 years old, 8 years old, and 4 years old. My duties are to take care of the children, preparing food, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, and sometimes I wash the car. And also I work as domestic helper in Singapore at 4 years. I serve 7 members in the family including 3 children, 8 years old, and 2 years old twins boy. My duties are to take care of the children, preparing food, sending in the school, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, and also I take care of the small dog and elderly, and sometimes I wash the car. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my family needed and to help savings for my future children. I am willing to take care of the newborn baby. And to all my employer, please choose me as your housemate. I promise to do all my duties and responsibility. And I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. And God bless you, Mom and Sir.